Good morning students, welcome to maths class. Today's topic is problem sums relating fraction for class 7. First question is, what should be added to 5 4 upon 15 to get 12 3 by 5? Question क्या कह रहा है, पहले हमें क्वेश्चन को समझना है. 5 4 upon 15 में क्या नंबर ऐड करना चाहिए कि हमें 12 3 by 5 मिल जाए. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे लेट द नंबर बी एक्स. पहले हम सपोज करते हैं कि वो नंबर क्या होगा, x. अब 5 4 by 15 में हम x ऐड करेंगे तो हमें 12 3 by 5 मिलना चाहिए. फर्स्ट वी चेंज द नंबर into improper fraction. 15 5 just 75 and 4 79 upon 15 plus x equal 12 5 just 60 60 and 3 63 upon 5. अब 79 upon 15 ये नंबर राइट साइड में जाएगा नंबर्स के साथ में, तो 63 upon 5 और ये नंबर जब उधर जाएगा तो प्लस साइन के साथ जब उधर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा 79 upon 15. Okay, now we will find the LCM of 5 and 15. Then the x equal LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. 5 3s are 15 and 3 multiplied by 63. 63 multiplied by 3 minus 15 1 ja 15 and 1 multiplied by 79. So the value is 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 189 minus 79 1 ja 79 upon 15. And x equal, we subtract it, 9 minus 9 0, 18 minus 7 11 upon 15. Then we reduced it, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. Then the value is 22 upon 3. We change it into mixed form because it is in improper form. 3 7 ja 21 1, 3 7 and 1. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, then the second question is, what should be subtracted from 1 by 7 to get 1 by 56? Question क्या कह रहा है, क्वेश्चन है कि 1 by 7 नंबर से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए कि हमको 1 by 56 मिल जाए. Now let the number to be subtracted be x. Then the second line is 1 minus 7, 1 upon 7 minus x equal 1 by 56. We will take x to the other side. Then in RHS 1 by 7, 1 by 56 equal minus x LCM of 7 and 56 is 56. 7 8 ja 56, 8 1 ja 8 minus 56 1 ja 56 and 1 1 ja 1 equal x. Then x equal 8 minus 1 7 upon 56. 7 1 ja 7, 7 8 ja 56. Then the value of x equal 1 by 8 and this is the answer. Number 3, out of 250 mangoes in a basket, 3 by 5 of them are rotten and 1 by 5 of them are eaten. How many are left? Let us see how to solve the problem. First we write total number of mangoes in a basket. Then total number of mangoes equal 250. then the rotten part is equal 3 by 5 and the eaten part is 1 by 5. Then first we find out how many mangoes are rotten. Then number of mangoes rotten equal 250 multiplied by rotten part 3 by 5. Then reduce it, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 zeros are 0. Then multiply 50 multiply by 3, 1 by 150. Next we write number of eaten mangoes equal total number of mangoes multiply by eaten part 1 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 zeros are 0. Then the number of eaten mangoes is 50. We find how many are left. Then the left mangoes equal 250 minus number of rotten mangoes plus number of eaten mangoes. Then the number of rotten mangoes is 150 and number of rotten eaten mangoes is 50. Then total 250 minus 150 plus 50 is 200. Then 250 minus 200 is equal to 50. Then the left mangoes is 50 mangoes. Answer. Next question number 4. A man gave 1/3 of his money to his son, 1/5 to his daughter and the remaining amount to his wife. If his son gets rupees 91,000, then how much money will his wife get? Let he had rupees X. Then he gave to his son. उसने अपने सन को कितना दिया, कितना मनी दिया? 1/3 of X. Then it is written as 1/3x. Now 1/5 to his daughter, then he gave to his daughter equal 1/5x. In this question we already know his son gets rupees 91,000. Then he gave to his son equal 1/3x. Then 1/3x equal rupees 91,000. Then x equal rupees 91,000 multiplied by 3. X is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 9 ja 27. Then 2,73,000. The man have rupees 2,73,000. His daughter have equal rupees 2,73,000 multiplied by 1/5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 2 23, 5 4 ja 20, 3 30, 5 6 ja 30 and 0 0. Then 54,600. his wife gets rupees 2,73,000 minus 54,600 plus 91,000 equal 2,73,000 minus 0, 0, 0, 6, 5 and 14. Then we subtract it 0, 0, 10 में से 6, 4, 12, minus 5, 7, 6, minus 4, 2 and 2 minus 1, 1. Then the answer is 1,27,400 rupees. Friends, the worksheet related to this topic will be uploaded on our school website. Thank you.